A camera rolls, a missile launches, and suddenly the sea becomes the next battlefield, while raising a critical question about how far this conflict is expanding. Tensions have surged along the coast of Lebanon after Hezbollah released footage claiming to show a strike on an Israeli naval target. The video, now circulating widely online, it allegedly captures the full sequence from launch preparations to the moment of impact, suggesting a direct hit on a vessel linked to Israel Defense Forces. Let me tell you here, while the visuals they may have not been independently verified, they are already intensifying concern about a new and dangerous phase in a conflict. According to analysts, the weapons shown appears to be anti-ship cruise missile, basically a type of system specifically designed to target naval vessels here. Now, these missiles they are known for their ability to fly extremely low over the sea, often just meters above the surface, making them very difficult to detect on radar. Their precision and speed, they allow them to strike ships with very little warning, which is why their use signals a significant escalation far beyond the typical cross-border exchange. However, most of the confrontation between Israel and Hezbollah, it has been limited to the ground-based rockets, artilleries, and airstrikes. However, this development, it suggests that the conflict may now be expanding into a maritime domain, bringing the Mediterranean into focus as a potential new front line. This particular shift, it carries broader risk, as naval engagements can threaten the shipping lanes, military patrol zone, and critical energy route in that region. There are also increasing discussions about how such weapons interact with Israel's defense system, including the famous Iron Dome. While Iron Dome is highly effective against short-term rockets, anti-ship cruise missiles follow very different flight path, and they operate in a way that can make interceptions more challenging here, particularly over the open water. And this raises concern about potential vulnerability in maritime defense scenarios. At the very same time, experts caution that the footage originates from Hezbollah and should be viewed very carefully, as information in this conflict zone is often used strategically. Even so, the mere possibility of a successful strike on a naval target, it is enough to raise the alarms among the defense observers and policymakers. The whole situation now appears to be entering a far more complex phase. If naval targets become a regular part of the conflict, the risk of wider escalation increases significantly. The key question is whether this particular incident it will trigger further military responses at sea, or whether efforts will be made to contain the situation before it expands further. Because you know what? Once a conflict spreads far beyond land and air into open water, controlling it becomes far more difficult, and the consequences can extend far beyond the immediate region.